Bengaluru footpaths are finally getting their space back. Greater Bengaluru Authority is running a Safe Footpath campaign across 1,000 kilometers of road network and clearing footpath encroachments across the city. The campaign was launched to remove encroachments from footpaths and improve pedestrian safety. According to official data, nearly 30% of every 1,000 road accident deaths in Bengaluru are pedestrians. The Supreme Court has also ruled that walking safely on a footpath is a fundamental right and not a privilege, making the drive a significant step towards protecting public safety. On July 2nd, encroachment clearance operations were carried out at several locations under the Bengaluru North City Corporation. In Zone 1, officials cleared encroachments on Sahakara Nagar Main Road from NH7 to Kodigehalli Main Road, covering 1.3 kilometers. The drive also covered Vidyaranyapura Main Road from Nenjappa Circle to the last bus stand, spanning 1.5 kilometers. Dinnur Main Road in Pulikeshi Nagar from Lal Bahadur Shastri College to PNT Gate, covering 400 meters, and HPR layout in Sarvagna Nagar, 5th Cross Road up to Multi-Speciality Hospital, Forest Road stretch covering 1.2 kilometers. And near 5th Main Road in Ganganagar and under Hebbal Ward of Zone 2. Authorities stated that the drive targeted illegal parking on footpaths, unauthorized name boards, chairs, tables, kiosks and vendors or shops extending onto pedestrian walkways. Before taking action, notices were issued to violators in accordance with the Street Vendors Protection Act and Supreme Court guidelines. Municipal officials, police personnel and enforcement teams jointly carried out the operation, while damaged footpath slabs and curbs were also repaired alongside the clearance work. The campaign also aligned with the 1 kilometer challenge, encouraging citizens to walk short distances instead of using vehicles, with the large aim of making Bengaluru a safer and more walkable city.
पहले कचरा डालते थे इधर से लेकर उधर तक, उसके वास्ते इधर ये डालिया सो परमिशन लेके डाला सिस्टम को। अभी उठाओ कर बोला तो कैसा बोलो?
पहले कहते नोटिस कुछ किए थे क्या?
पहले कुछ नोटिस कुछ भी नहीं था। इधर आके एकदम पूरा कचरा डाल के इधर से लेकर उधर डालते थे। हमको इधर परमिशन इधर हमको कचरा नहीं डालना करके बोल के नीट सर डालने के लिए इधर रखा सो। तकलीफ भी थे उसमें।
हरस कर रहे थे, आम कर रहे थे, सब बात को तकलीफ।
ಈಗ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ?
ಇನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗೋದು ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಏನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
क्या भी तकलीफ नहीं सब यहाँ, क्या भी तकलीफ नहीं, पब्लिक को क्या तकलीफ है इधर? क्या पूरा कचरा रोड को पड़ा था, रोड को पड़ा स्टेप कोई नहीं बात करे यहाँ को। पूरा BBMP वाले चमना बोलना दला से यहाँ से कचरा पड़ा था। जब कचरा था ये तुरंत तुम्हें क्लीनिंग, हाँ भाई क्लीनिंग करा है खड़ो को, 8-10 दिन खड़ो को क्लीनिंग करा है सब। रात का सोने का आदमी चला छोड़े यहाँ।